Hello from Slovenia again. Experiment day again today. I will blow some paint around, and I'm playing with this idea with mixing my satin polymer varnish by Vallejo into my base coat, because I found that it creates some really nice effects, and I will use those straws from paint pour store with different attachments to manipulate some paint, and we will see what will happen. I will just pour this white base down, and then I will play with it. Love to experiment. Colors. This is Holbein Quinacridone Gold, and I will add just a little bit of paint here. And this is Holbein Luminous Rose. Don't know how these two will work together. And this is little Piggy Pigments Waterfall. And I have Amsterdam Prussian Blue. And white and black. This is just titanium white and oxide black. No, it's indigo blue, not oxide black. Okay, so now I will start blowing this out. I'm not sure about this part because it's the only part with this blue and I don't know if I like that. But I'm afraid to tear this off. Because I'm afraid to lose all the beautiful stuff. Maybe just try to kind of go like that over here. Wow, I love it. Let me take you down for a close-up. Quick torch. So here it is. Look at those cells here. So cool. Wow. I have to play a little more with this because just beautiful. I want to do a swipe, minimalistic swipe with this on this background to see what will happen, because it's so cool. Thanks for watching, and no, wait for the dry results. So here is a close-up of the wet results. I love it, but I think that maybe I should stop a little earlier to keep a little more color, but I love those cells, I love the webbing, lacing, gorgeous. Just wish that I would keep a little more of this waterfall and this Hawaiian quinacridone gold is gorgeous too, since the Golden one will not be available anymore. Necodonic laser from gold. So I will definitely play some more with this. Tell me what you think about this. And see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.